Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your MATIC from Bitmart to a Tangem wallet for better security and control. Today, I'm walking you through this step-by-step process. It's straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Bitmart account set up and verified. Log in to your Bitmart dashboard using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including MATIC. Next, find the Withdraw option next to your MATIC balance. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency, in this case, MATIC. Now, it's time to get your Tangem Wallet address ready. Open your Tangem Wallet app, go to the Receive section, and copy the MATIC address. This is crucial, so paste it carefully into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. Enter the amount of MATIC you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so check those first to avoid any surprises. After that, you'll need to confirm your withdrawal details. Bitmart will likely require two-factor authentication, 2FA, for security, so have that set up and enter the code when prompted. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation message and the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Tangem wallet to see when the MATIC arrives. A quick tip: always verify wallet addresses to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean permanent loss. Also, in 2025, make sure you're using the latest versions of these apps for the best security features. And there you have it. Your MATIC is now safely in your Tangem wallet. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy with your investments.